What's up, y'all? My name is Eric Cooper, video producer here at Harris Water Main Sewer Contractors. Before we get started, if you think we're giving you the best sewer content this side of the Atlantic, then go ahead and give us a like, a comment, and maybe even a subscribe. New construction can be incredibly difficult for everyone involved. So what happens when you're working on a new construction that's also 115 years old and full of mysteries underneath? The only way to find out is on the job site. All right, I'll see you there.
Hey, what's going on?
Mike, what's the word?
What's going on with Stanley's job today?
So we have problems on Stanley's job. We have some time constraints.
All right.
On site, we encountered scaffold that we first became aware is now in the way because we found an empty sidewalk vault.
Scaffold sitting on top of that vault?
Top of the vault.
That was covered.
Correct.
No one knew about it.
No one knew about it. Not even the owner.
It's crazy.
I'm gonna call Stanley, let him know what's going on, and we have to figure this out somehow.
Oh?
Stanley.
Yeah.
Hey, if there's any problems at all, if there's any problems with the contractor on site, anything, just call Mike or myself, let us jump in. They're not letting us breathe, essentially, and we need to get their job done by next Tuesday at the latest, is what they're telling us. Is that a possibility?
Yes, it's a possibility, but you gotta see what happened first. We're not sure what's on the ground, so.
In order to get a better idea for the situation, we're headed out to Bed-Stuy to see it for ourselves.
Well, the first thing, once we get there, we had limited space to work.
I know you're thinking to yourself, don't these interviews usually happen on the job site? And they do, but it was very cold and very windy that day. So I forced Stan to come to the shop after the fact and give us a little recap.
So we had to move around a lot of stuff because, like I said, it's a new construction. So there's a lot of material that have to be moved around so we could start our job. And then there's stipulation on the street opening and stuff like that, so we have limited time as well. From like bricks, the old, those big bricks, the old time bricks, which are very strong and sturdy. And then at the curb, there was like a stone wall, like very big boulders. We had to remove those in order to pass our pipe through. There was a vault under the sidewalk, approximately like 17 feet by 9 feet. It's like a hidden room under the sidewalk, like a storage space that they had way back when.
Did you fill in that vault though?
Oh yes, we had to.
You had to fill it in.
Yeah, to compact it properly and everything like that.
So wait, before that, was there sewer service running through that vault?
No, it was actually on the side.
Oh, so you guys had to move the sewer service over
Yeah,
that.
there used to be two other houses and they were hooked up on the same sewer. Now we have to give each house their own individual sewer, so we had to move over on it. with this, we have to go according to the plan. We have a plan that attachment F, SD1 and 2 that tell us the location where the sewer connection is supposed to be, and you have to go according to that. You have a utility room that everything goes into, the sewer, the water, the electric, gas and stuff like that. So you have to be real specific about where we go with these.
Utility rooms are
services.
not common in New York. Most of us do not have utility rooms.
No, you know, if you have it like that, you have kind of.
When you got it like that, you can have a utility room. That's right. With all the challenges that were present on this job, it's no wonder that the guys unfortunately couldn't finish on time. But they're not done yet. You heard me right. There's one more house right next door that they still have to pipe out. And guess what? Next week, we get to come back and we get to see if they're able to do it on time or if there's more challenges that they're not even ready for. Until then, thank you for watching another Harris video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to change your lead service. All right, peace.